on, let's take a selfie.
Oh, a selfie. That's nice.
Yeah, that's good.
This place. There's something strange about this place. I would like to investigate it.
Nice. Master, hungry. Okay, bye, Katie.
Bye. Wait, what? Come on, you have to see this.
What's so urgent?
Just take a look at this picture.
Oh, there's nothing strange about that. It's just a beautiful place. And if you drag this because of that, I'm gonna kill you.
Let me take a look. Oh my god. What's that in the background? Is that who I think it is? Oh my god, I was right the whole time. Lester, don't you know who this is?
Wait, that can't be right. Someone is pranking us.
Lester, this is actually her.
It can't be her.
Who? What are you talking about?
Look, Katie. A long time ago, this hospital was an asylum. The legend says that a nurse named Catherine was killed by her mentally ill patients, who she loved and cared about for so much. Now her ghost haunts the hospital, seeking for revenge. They say, if you shouted her name, she'll come and kill you in the worst way possible. Okay, I was thinking about visiting the hospital.
Nope.
If you don't go with the two of us, I'll tell Mom that you got a B from math last week.
Curse you, Roots.
Wait, what do you mean by the two of us? I don't believe in this ridiculous story.
Well then, come with us to prove us wrong. Let's bet in 10 pounds, then Mrs. C will appear.
Don't you know that 60% of child kidnapping incidents...
Shut up, Lester. Okay, see you in 5 hours, and please don't tell this to anyone. I'm watching you, Lester.
Oh, when our parents find out.
Come on, Lester.
Oh!
Whoa.
Let me see. Oh my god. This is amazing.
Come on, Lester, upstairs.
Maybe this is not a good idea.
Come on, hurry up.
What is this place?
Big destroyed. Really old, too.
Ooh, a mirror.
Don't take pictures.
Come here.
It's always a bad
This
idea.
place is amazing.
Okay,
Now here goes. Catherine!
You stupid! What are you doing?
See? Nothing happened.
I'm going home.
Come on. Nothing happened. Come on, Lester. Come on, Katie.
Coming.
Oh.
Mom finds
Let's
out
just
we're
go.
here. Mom finds out here, we're gonna die and get grounded.
See? She doesn't exist. Legend is just a old story.
Oh, yeah. Did you hear that? What's that?
Come on! Guys, wait for me!
Come on. She's here. Run. Run.
Here, here.
Come on.
Okay, close the door.
I'll turn my flash on.
Come on. A nun. Maybe she'll spare us.
I hope so.
I can hear footsteps.
Shut up!
Oh.
Elliot.
Get out of here. Come on. What are you doing here? Do you know how
Please don't tell our
dangerous this was?
parents.
I told you.
Mrs. Elliot, you don't understand. There was something scary about this place. Catherine appeared.
Please.
not
Let's
my
get out of
fault.
here.
You should have
This
done.
place. I told you so.
It's fault. This is all your fault.
You owe me 10 pounds.
Well, you agreed. No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
I've never gone in there.
It's always my fault.